good about being honest? Being honest makes me feel great. Yay for honesty!
Hey everyone, I learned something important. It's about honesty. Being honest builds trust, and trust makes us better friends.
I found the wallet!
Well done. This medal is for you. Oh, I can't accept that. You're a true hero. My little friends, the greatest lesson is this. Always be honest. Honesty makes you a true friend, and it makes you brave.
This wallet isn't mine. I should find the owner and return it. Being honest feels right.
We did the right thing!
Yeah, that was awesome!
It feels so good.
Let's celebrate!